Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a bio on RedNote. Really easy and simple, guys. First things first, what you're going to do, open up your RedNote app, and then here at the bottom right, you will see the profile icon. Basically, where it's written me, you want to come and click on this, and then you will come to this page. So what you want to do now is click on profile, okay? And now you'll see a bunch of options. One of them will be your bio. You're just going to come and click here. Tap here. Now the thing is, guys, if you come and tap here to add bio, if you tap this, most of you will not be able to get your keyboard to show up. That's because you have not verified your account yet. You have to verify your account with a phone number before you can do anything such as adding bios or adding profiles. So let me add one real quick. So here we go. I am creating a tutorial video. If you want, of course, you can go ahead and add emojis. You can add that right there. Perfect. And just come here and click on save. And then once you go back, guys, to, let me show you. Let me go back to my profile. And if I close this, here, there you go. That is my bio. Really that easy and simple, guys.